Hey y'all, welcome back. Betty Bucket here to give you a business bite. So today I got a question from somebody asking me, how can I advertise my products and services on CaleProcure? So CaleProcure is the state of California's bid portal. And like all the different agencies have all their own kind of portals and things like that. So each one's a little bit different, but this was particular, how do I advertise my product and my services on CaleProcure for other agencies or other prime contractors or other customers to get to know me? So figured I'd do a short video for you. Remember, if you like the video, please like it. If you want to share it, please share it. But subscribing is the best. Sharing is caring. So here we go. So this is the state, let's get this here. This is the state of California portal called CaleProcure, also referred to as Fiscal. And so to advertise your product or services for free, all you got to do is log in. So you'll have to create an account. This is free though. So you'll want to log in, and I'm going to log in. I can remember my password. And that's going to log you into your account with CaleProcure. Now, what you can do is you go to public information and you want to go to see current bids. And that's going to let you see all of the opportunities that are currently being publicized that is being purchased by the state of California. Now, keep in mind, this is only 10% of what the state is actually buying. About 90% of whatever is being purchased by the state of California, and this goes across pretty much all the other agencies, they never hit the streets, meaning they never go out for a public bid. If you're wanting to find out more about that, stay tuned. I'll be doing another video about that in a very couple of days maybe, or maybe later on today, but keep that in mind. I'm going to show you how to do that in a later video. But for now, how can you advertise for free on this portal? Very simple. You go to the solicitation that you would like to put your name on. If I click on here, for example, it's going to open up the actual announcement. And this is going to allow you to see what they're looking for and things of that nature. But more importantly, this is an opportunity also for you to put an advertisement on this portal saying, hey, I'm for hire. If you go back to one of my other videos titled Let's Talk Marketing, it tells you a little bit more about the purpose of doing this. And this is part of it is name recognition. And so that's the first step of marketing, or the first stage of marketing. So here we have the event details. Now we may or may not really care about the event itself, but some of the things that we do care about is, first of all, you have the contact name. So Coy here, and I know I'm probably butchering that. I'm sorry, Coy. Coy here is a buyer for the state of California, specifically the Department of California Conservation Corps. Now, Coy here cannot buy from you at this point for one reason. And that's because he doesn't know you even exist. So that's the first thing that we want to learn. We want to find out who the buyer is so that we can call them or send them an email and introduce ourselves. But what we really want is, how do we advertise our services? Well, you can scroll down here and you can click Post Vendor Ad. You can also see the current vendor ads. So if you click on see vendor ads right now, you can see all of the people that are interested, whether it be a sub seeking a prime or a prime seeking a sub. So right now, there's only one advertisement. So now what we want to do is we go back to return and post your ad. And now here is where you put your contactor information. So I'm going to just kind of round consulting. Consulting. Then I'm going to add my email address, my phone number. And then here is your advertisement details. So this is, your title should be something that resonates, 20 years seasoned engineer, small business, disabled veteran business enterprise, plumbing, or whatever. So this is something that's really going to kind of pique the interest of who might be reviewing it. And then I always put the response deadline to the end of the year. So 12/31/2020. And then whether or not I'm a prime seeking a sub or a sub seeking a prime. And there in the description, you want to keep it really short, sweet, to the point. Your name, your company name, what you specialize in, a reference to a project that you've worked on, or something that really resonates with, can you really do the work? And then if you have any of the certifications, such as small business, disabled veteran business, women-owned, minority-owned, all of that good stuff, go ahead and put it in here as well. Don't forget to include your certification number and expiration date of your certification. That's just easy for the reviewer to see that you're current on your certifications. They can check up on those certifications to make sure they are accurate. Now, even though the state of California doesn't recognize the woman-owned and minority-owned, that's not to say that the person that's looking at this doesn't have other projects that they may need to check those boxes. So you click on those information, your name, company email, phone number, that title that really grabs the attention of the reviewer, and then the meat and potatoes of your description. What is it that you do? What's your specialty? Who are you? And what are your certifications? You click on save, and that's it. So that's how you post a contractor advertisement on CaleProcure. I'll be doing some more later on for other portals, but most of the portals do have something like this, but they're, they might be a little bit different, but that's how you can do it on CaleProcure. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, press like, subscribe, comment. Of course, if you have a question you'd like me to address, post your question in the comments. I'll be sure to do a video just for you. Have a great day. Betty's out.